Credit card companies are currently experiencing their most significant losses in nearly 3 decades, excluding the Great Financial Crisis, as per Goldman Sachs. After hitting a low point in September 2021, credit card losses began to rise, initially attributed to the winding down of stimulus measures. However, from the first quarter of 2022 onwards, these losses have been increasing rapidly, resembling a trend previously observed during the 2008 recession. This trend is far from reaching its conclusion, according to Goldman Sachs. Currently standing at 3.63%, these losses have surged by 1.5 percentage points since their lowest point, with Goldman predicting a further increase of 1.3 percentage points to reach 4.93%. This alarming situation coincides with Americans collectively owing over $1 trillion on credit cards, a record high, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Analysts anticipates that delinquencies will persistently outpace seasonal expectations until the middle of the following year, with losses not peaking until late 2024 or early 2025 for most credit card issuers. What makes this scenario unusual is the acceleration of losses occurring in the absence of an economic recession. Among the last 5 credit card loss cycles, 3 were associated with recessions. The 2 exceptions, where losses escalated outside of recessionary periods, were in the mid-90s and from 2015 to 2019. By analyzing historical data, analysts identified similarities between the current cycle and those observed in the late 1990s and the 2015 to 2019 period, with losses intensifying after a period of robust loan growth. They also noted that historical trends indicate that losses typically reach their peak 6 to 8 quarters after loan growth tops out, suggesting that the credit normalization cycle is only halfway through, hence the late 2024 to early 2025 projection. In conclusion, the alarming surge in credit card losses, as predicted by Goldman Sachs, highlights a concerning financial trend. With no economic recession in sight, the timing and extent of these losses raise significant questions about the stability of the credit card industry. As we navigate these uncharted waters, staying informed and managing your finances wisely is paramount to weathering this storm. Thanks for watching.